In the last assembly election, the Congress swept East Delhi. 7 out of the 10 seats were won by the Congress, 2 by the BJP, and 1 went to an independent candidate. But this time around, with the entry of the Aam Aadmi Party and other parties like the BSP and SP trying to cement their positions in this region, electoral results are expected to spring up a few surprises. Now let's take a look at the prominent faces in contest from East Delhi.
Dr. Harshvardhan is the BJP's chief ministerial candidate in Delhi. The party's top brass and PM candidate Narendra Modi came around to the view that in an unbiased centre like Delhi, the image of the candidate leading the charge for the party is of paramount importance for the voters, and hence Mr. Clean Harshvardhan was brought in to challenge Sheila Dikshit. Dr. Harshvardhan is a practicing ear-nose-throat surgeon. Since his first election as MLA in 1993, Harshvardhan has represented Krishnanagar constituency 4 consecutive times. He enjoys a clean image and has a reputation of being an effective administrator. He was the health minister during the BJP government in Delhi in the 1990s. The BJP is now hoping that his appeal as a professional with a clean image will help lure disgruntled voters to the BJP fold.
4 दिसंबर को दिल्ली को कांग्रेस के कुशासन से पूरी तरह से आजाद करा देंगे और दिल्ली के अंदर भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सुशासन देने वाली सरकार को स्थापित करा देंगे।
Manish Sisodia is locked in a triangular battle with Congress and the BJP for the Patpargan seat that is being seen as one of the closest contests of the upcoming Delhi elections. Sisodia, a social activist and politician, came to light for his active involvement in Anna Hazare's Jan Lokpal movement. And his close association with Arvind Kejriwal. A journalist by profession, Sisodia is trying to woo the voters on promises of corruption-free administration and on neglected development issues of the area. In 2008 elections, the Congress and the BJP had a close fight on the Patpargan constituency. Sisodia is hoping to cash in on the ND incumbency against the current Congress MLA to establish himself as a senior player than his closest rival, BJP's young Nakul Bhardwaj.
कि अगर आप चाहते हैं कि 23 साल, 20 साल, 25 साल ये कहने में लगे कि आदमी भ्रष्ट था और फिर अगले 25 साल उसको जेल वास्तव में भिजवाने में लगे, तो फिर कांग्रेस बीजेपी को वोट देते रहेंगे, यही करते रहेंगे। और अगर इसको चेंज करना है तो आम आदमी पार्टी को लाना पड़ेगा।
Another prominent and known face of the Congress is 4-time MLA, 64-year-old Dr. A.K. Walia. As Health Minister of Delhi, Walia is in the electoral race from Lakshminagar constituency. He is hoping that his clean and approachable image will help him sail through the polls. Despite many problems, Walia has good following in the constituency, but a section of voters, especially the young ones, are looking for a change. Walia is a strong contender, but gradually losing edge with the rising discontent among the people against the Congress government's inability to contain price rise and corruption. With the Aam Aadmi Party putting up a formidable candidate on this constituency, coupled with the decreasing political capital of the Congress, the veteran finds himself on a sticky wicket this time.
जो नई पार्टियां आ रही हैं कि झाड़ू लेके, मैं ये समझता हूं कि दिल्ली में जो गंदगी थी उस पर झाड़ू हम लोग पहले ही लगा चुके हैं, दिल्ली को साफ सुथरा बना चुके हैं, दिल्ली के अंदर फैसिलिटी दे चुके हैं। आज हर व्यक्ति दिल्ली का जो है खुश है।
Among the younger faces of the Congress in Delhi, Minister of Education Arvinder Singh Lovely is in strong position in his constituency of Gandhinagar. Singh, who has a house in Gandhinagar, has used his influence to put the constituency on the monorail map and also Metro Phase 3 development. Banking heavily on the development work of the incumbent government, Singh is aiming for another poll victory. Gandhinagar is being seen as a safe bet by Congress because of Arvinder Singh's accessible image.
देखिए, दिल्ली में जिस तरीके का विकास पिछले 15 सालों के अंदर हमने किया है, वो अपने आप में जो है, क्योंकि विकास बताने से नहीं होता, वह विकास देखने से होता है। आज दिल्ली वासी घर से बाहर निकलते हैं तो उनका चौराया, उनका फ्लाईओवर, उनका सड़क, भागती हुई मेट्रो अपने आप में बयान करती है।
The tough triangular contest between the Congress, the BJP and a newbie Aam Aadmi Party
विकल्प सिर्फ एक है,
are giving pre-poll jitters to many heavyweights who have been ruling Delhi's political scene for the last 20 years.